Hi parents, so I just wanted to give you some tools that you can use for your students outside of the classroom, and one of these resources that I have found, it's called stopbullying.gov. So this is basically a website on how parents, you can stop bullying on the spot, different resources to use, and more information about things such as regular bullying, cyberbullying. So for example, you can use any of these links like what is bullying, warning signs for bullying, stuff on LGBTQ, the role that kids can play in bullying, the effects, military connected youth, why some youth bully, kind of the trauma that can come out of bullying, stuff about even disabilities and special needs, race, national origin and religion, other kinds of aggressive behavior, and what person may be at risk. So you can use any of these links, and it will tell you different things that you can learn about it in terms of cyberbullying. We have all of this stuff right here and how to establish rules, different kinds of social media and apps that may be targeting your child and your child may be prone to bullying from. How to establish rules, how to deal with online haters, how to report cyberbullying, what kind of is cyberbullying when it comes to online gaming or other websites or social media. So all of this stuff is really awesome and it's such a good tool. And there are also different kind of blogs that you can look at from other parents, like blogs on cyberbullying, federal partners in bullying prevention, different prevention. So if we look on some kind of cyberbully blogs, you can find so many different resources to look at, and this can really help your child outside of the classroom as well as inside of the classroom, because I know that, when you send your students off to class, you don't know what goes on inside of school. You kind of only hear from your student when they come home, and as a teacher, I would obviously tell you if there was a problem that I was observing, and how to fix it and stuff, or, my best advice towards it. But this is, once again, just another great website that you can use, and this can definitely help your student as well and get you more interactive with this kind of stuff and how to prevent it.